In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a list of events in Squarespace. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized events page that looks great and is easy to update. Start by signing in to your Squarespace account and opening your site. From the main navigation on the left, choose Website to enter your site's editor. Next, head into Pages. This is where all your navigation items and content collections live, and where you'll create the events list so it appears in your site's menu. In the Pages panel, click the plus icon to add something new. When the menu opens, choose Group Events. This option creates an events collection, which is perfect for maintaining a list of upcoming happenings. It automatically generates a list view for all events and individual event pages for details, so you don't have to build that structure from scratch. You'll see pre-made event layouts you can start with. Select a pre-made event design that matches your brand style. Don't stress about picking the perfect one. You can customize the layout and content later. The goal is to get a solid foundation in place quickly. After the collection is created, rename it to something clear and visitor-friendly, like Events, Upcoming Events, or Calendar. This name is what people will see in your site's navigation, so keep it short and recognizable. Open the collection and click Edit to enter the page editor. Now you're ready to tailor the template to your needs. Replace any placeholder headings and intro text with a concise description of what your audience can expect. Think frequency, location, or who the events are for. Swap out stock images or background visuals with your own photos or brand graphics to make the page feel authentic. Customize how the list displays. Depending on your template, you can adjust card style, image ratios, and what details show at a glance, like dates, locations, and summaries, so visitors can scan quickly. Click into the sample event items and update the title, date and time, location or link, and a short description. Keep details consistent and readable, and include a clear call to action like register or learn more. If your design offers toggles for showing labels, categories, or excerpts, use them to surface the most important information. Before wrapping up, take a quick look on mobile preview to ensure text sizing, spacing, and buttons are easy to tap. Consistency in formatting across events makes your list feel polished and trustworthy. And that's it. You navigated to website, opened pages, created a group events collection, chose a pre-made layout, renamed it, clicked edit, and refined the template to fit your brand. Now you have a professional events list ready to keep your audience informed.